Over time, with proper water,
Freshly harvested beetroot is transferred directly into...
the journey continues inside.
This controlled
Check the pressure on the third nozzle.
In the mixing stage, to ensure safety and shelf life,
the mixture is...
The beetroot journey begins with careful soil preparation to ensure healthy growth and high yield.
Using advanced machinery, beetroot seeds are planted evenly for consistent and strong growth.
Over time, with proper water and nutrients, beetroot grows rich in color and nutrition.
When the beetroot reaches perfect size and quality, it's ready for harvesting. Modern harvesters carefully lift beetroot from the ground while separating soil efficiently. Freshly harvested beetroot is transferred directly into factory vans to maintain freshness. The beetroot arrives at our modern processing facility. After harvest, fresh beetroots arrive at our state-of-the-art processing facility.
The journey continues inside, where precision and technology take over. Unloading begins with hydraulic lifters, ensuring safe and gentle handling of fresh beetroots. At the factory, beetroot is unloaded and fed into automated processing lines.
Check the pressure on the third nozzle.
Looks clear. Optimizing now.
Each beetroot is thoroughly washed, graded, and quality checked.
After washing, A-grade beetroots move along the conveyor belt into a modern air drying system. Gentle streams of warm air remove excess moisture from the surface.
This advanced drying machine uses soft, rotating brushes to remove fine root fibers, while warm air dries the roots.
After drying, the beetroots are transferred to a fully automated packing line. Robotic systems accurately measure and...
Using advanced robotics, each beetroot is handled with precision. The system automatically fills and seals half-kilotons.
Once packed, the beetroot packets move into the robotic sealing and branding stage. Advanced automation securely... With robotic precision, every packet is sealed and branded to perfection. The Hadi Tariq label represents fresh.
Now it's time for the final step. In our cartoon-style factory, smart robots carefully pack the beetroot packets into branded boxes.
With automated sealing and bright branding, every box is packed with care and quality.
The process begins as clean, dried A-grade beetroots are fed into the juice extraction line, where they are prepared for crushing and extraction.
Advanced machines peel and cut the beetroot with precision.
Inside the crusher, the beetroots are broken down into fine pulp, allowing maximum juice extraction while preserving natural color and nutrients.
Fresh beetroot is crushed and processed into juice and puree.
The pulp is then pressed and filtered, separating pure beetroot juice from solid fiber to achieve a smooth and consistent liquid. In the mixing stage, beetroot juice is combined with sugar, natural color, and flavorings in large.
Sugar and natural additives are carefully measured and added to the beetroot juice. High-speed industrial mixers blend all.
After mixing, the beetroot juice passes through industrial pasteurization tanks. Heat is applied to eliminate harmful To ensure safety and shelf life, the juice is pasteurized under controlled temperatures before moving to the filling and bottling stage.
The mixture is carefully blended and approved under strict quality standards. The process begins with empty bottles entering the washing line, where high-pressure water removes dust and loose contaminants.
The bottles are then sanitized using hot water and approved food-grade disinfectants, ensuring complete hygiene before filling.
In the final stage, the bottles are rinsed and air-dried, leaving them perfectly clean and ready for juice filling.
The juice is filled and sealed in hygienic conditions.
Each bottle is branded with Hadi Tariq and marked with an expiry date.
The bottles are packed into cartons, ready for safe delivery. Cold storage and refrigerated transport ensure long-lasting freshness. Finally, our beetroot products reach supermarkets, ready for customers to enjoy.